guys, welcome back. So today I wanted to play around with this Lanci Pro eyeshadow palette. Now this is a palette I've had in my collection for probably about a year now, and I decided it was time for me to take it out and use it. And as you can see, it is a very pretty, colorful palette. Lots of pretty shades in here. There is a mirror in this palette, and this palette actually has 16 shadows. There are 11 shimmer shadows and 5 matte shades. As you can see, there's information on the back of the palette, the ingredients. It is cruelty free. It does come with a sleeve that is the same color as the palette, which is white. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna get nice and dirty, but that's okay, it's still pretty. So just a few things or thoughts that I'd like to say about this palette. I like this palette. As you can see, it is very nicely pigmented. I didn't have any issues blending out the matte, and the shimmer shadows showed up on my lids very nicely with just a little spray of rose water. So I really like the look that I was able to create with this palette today. I would say it is worth the $22 that it costs on the Lanci website. Okay, let's go ahead and get some swatches going. As you can see, I'm very casual today. I have on my little raggedy sweatshirt, but I did want to play around in some makeup today. So these are the swatches for this palette, and as you can see, it swatches very nicely. Now, the matte shades aren't the most extremely pigmented, but they do get the job done. I would say the shades that really kind of pop in this palette are definitely the shimmer shades. So those are the stars in this palette. Now, as you can see, it swatches fairly nicely, not too bad. If you'd like to see how I created this look today, which is quite bright, just stay tuned because it is coming up next.